Can your bird eat table scraps? Yes. Should your bird eat table scraps?
Probably.
Well, probably not. Hi, I'm Kaylin, the author of the Parrot Bliss Bond. And in this video, my thief here, also known as Ursulus, the Mexican red-headed Amazon, he is trying to steal seeds and nuts from the Macaw mix, my quiche, and anything else that he can get his little beak on that he's not supposed to eat. Why can't this boy have seeds and nuts? Because he's an Amazon, and Amazons are prone to getting overweight. If you look at his underside, you can see that he's a little overweight. Do you see that line? And he's kind of got a little right there. The two little sides on that line. He's got a little too much fat from stealing food. While vegetables like broccoli and spinach and even the eggs, in moderation, the eggs are fine for him, if not even good for him. The butter, the salt, the pepper, and some other ingredients like that are not natural for an Amazon's diet, and therefore are not really going to be good for him. So one of the best things that you can give your parrot is pellets, because they're formulated for them, and vegetables. The vegetables that are most important are the vegetables with beta carotene in them, and now I lost my subject. And vegetables with beta carotene, right, Ursula? Hi. But the broccoli quiche, that's not really on his diet. Going over and stealing almonds, that's not really on his diet. And in order to keep Ursulus happy, loving, chirping, and really happy and healthy, it's important that he doesn't steal too much food. I keep trying to explain it to him, but he's young and he doesn't understand that he's not really Herculean, but he can do things like swirl around. Things that make him think he's Herculean. Oh, woo! Good job. Hi. And things that make him out to be like a monkey. So, watch your parrot's diet, because a healthy parrot is a fun parrot. Come here. Come here. Good boy. Is a fun parrot that you're going to enjoy a long shared life with, and he's going to enjoy being a beautiful parrot that doesn't get funky things like long nails and a weird beak from eating too many seeds, which he shouldn't eat, and instead he'll be a happy parrot. Thanks for joining us.